Throughout the years, there have been hundreds of inventions that have been created to change our way of life. And now, the world is changing faster than we think. And there is no sign of it to be slowed down. In fact, it is speeding up. Here, we are going to talk about those 7 scientific discoveries of 21st century, which will change the world. In number 1, we have 5G data storage. A small disc-shaped device which is capable to withstand in 1000-degree temperature and can hold up to 360 terabytes of data for billions of years. These discs are made of nanostructured glass, and data which is stored in it can be revived using femtosecond laser writing. And the most amazing thing is that it can store data for up to 13.8 billion years. In number 2, Planet 9. Researchers at Caltech have found mathematical evidence suggesting that there may be a planet X in our solar system, which is far beyond Neptune. The planet is predicted to be the 5 to 10 times of our Earth, and it orbits 400 to 800 times farther than the Sun compared to Earth. Number 3. Recycled space rockets. SpaceX made a history in 2017 when it successfully launched the first ever recycled rocket ship into space. After 6 months, the unmanned Falcon rocket was launched for the second time in December 2017. This technology has already reduced the cost of launch mission to space, and it may open the way of future for space travel, which is not affordable for everyone today. Number 4. First successful head transplant. In 2016, an Italian scientist named Dr. Sergio Canavero surprised the world by transplanting one monkey's head onto another monkey's body. Each monkey's blood vessels, spine, and neurosystems were connected using polyethylene glycol. Number 5. 3D printed organs. 3D printing is an amazing invention of all time. Scientists were trying to recreate the body's complex vascular network using 3D printer. And this year, they found the solution. In May 2019, they successfully printed a lung which took its first breath. Number 6. Animal cloning. The first successful genetic clone of an animal was born before 22 years. Since then, scientists have successfully cloned pigs, deer, cats, mice, etc. We are getting good at cloning animals. This technology has helped to increase the number of endangered animals population. And we could use this technology to bring back now extinct animals. Number 7. Growing babies in plastic bags. Just before 2 years, scientists in China managed to keep a prematurely born lamb alive for 4 weeks by growing it in an artificial womb, which looks like a plastic bag. The bag was named as BioBag. This might help human babies who born prematurely to have better chance to survive by allowing them to grow for an extended period in biobags before entering the world.